Hey there, welcome to this Mark's Reviews and Tutorials video. I'm going to show you how to put your oven shelves back into your oven. Now this is on a Bosch oven, but the principles are the same. There's going to be, clearly in here, there's fittings where these shelves are going to go, but these guys are all a bit complicated. If you look at the catch here, see it's got little flat spots on it, there, and up that end as well. That's actually the key to what's going on here. When you have a look here, you see there's like a keyway at the top and then it slides down. This one, there's a keyway at this end and then it slides across. So you've actually got to get it in. You line that up and you get that in and then you slide it across. You see that it goes in, first movement, and then it slides across. The front one, it goes in high, slides down, click, and it's in place. And this one's exactly the same. You got to put it in and slide it back, the back one first and then the front one, put it in and slide it down. Sometimes I'll just hook and go down, but the key is to have a look both at the bar, looking for slots, and then at the actual fitting itself. And if there's a T, like a bigger spot and then a slide, you put it in the bigger bit first and then move it along. You'll have it in. Now, stage two, in case you're after that, the shelves, on this type of shelf, where it's on bearings and rollers, the shelf actually sits just between that high spot there and that high spot there. So you see, we'll lift this in and it literally sits on top like that and then sits in position. Now, the little bar here, this is to stop things sliding off the back and falling off the back. So that doesn't go to the front. If there's a high bit or something to catch it, that always goes at the back so things don't fall off. It'll be flatter at the front. And then this style here, again, when you're putting these side racks in, where this little kick in bit here is, that's always going to be to the front, not to the back. So if you're talking about left and right, which way they go. And this is going to slide in and it's supposed to go in that gap there. So here we go, sliding it in, both sides, in that gap it goes under like that. Push it in place, and we're done. There you go. The oven shelves are in.